ready.
Hi, I'm Shannon Eoff, owner of Chehalem Property Management in Newberg, Oregon. We have some simple tips to help you organize your refrigerator to maximize the space and food quality. First step to organizing your fridge is to take everything out and clean off the shelves. When putting your fridge items back in, think about the following. Put any raw meat or seafood on the bottom shelf. The bottom shelf is often closer to the coil and is one of the coldest places in your fridge. Keep space around your fridge items. Airflow is important in keeping all of your fridge items cool and helps prevent spoiling. Keep milk and other quickly expiring items out of the door. The door is the warmest part of the fridge, and storing items in it may not keep them cool enough. Put condiments in the door. Condiments normally contain a lot of salt and preservatives, which help them keep longer than other food. Keep leftovers at eye level. This will help you remember to eat them before they spoil. We hope these tips were helpful to you. Again, this is Shannon Eoff with Chehalem Property Management.